Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day, everyone. Hi, Dr. Zui here, and this is for the Lab 2 activities, and this is for the manual drawing. So before you start with the activities in Lab 2, I just want to remind you again, after you completed the activities, what you need to do is to take photo of your work and then upload it in the Padlet as been given the link here. And the password is EMM3518. And don't forget to include your name and your matric number as well. So the due date to post your activities in Padlet is 2 days after your lab. And I'm going to give marks. If you fail to do so, you're not going to be given a marks for that. So about the assignment, what you need to do, if I gave you assignment for any particular lab, you need to submit the assignment back to me on the same day of the lab the following week, hard copy. So we're going to start activity 1. Again, we're still in the geometrical construction. So we are going to learn on how to do some parallel line, vertical line, line bisecting, and some angle bisecting for activity 1. So we start first with the parallel line. So just going to show you the animation on how to do a parallel line. What you need to do is to draw a line from point A to point B first. You just give the distance according to your own preference, maybe like 50 mm. So what the direction one, the instruction one is to construct a parallel line to line AB. So we need to have another parallel line to line AB where the distance is 47. So the distance from in both of this line is 47 mm. So there is a way of doing that. So let's just watch the animation. So what you need to do first is to draw a circle in the center of the line, and then you're going to draw a perpendicular line, and then you set the distance at 47 mm, and then you draw the parallel line. So the first step is to draw this semicircle line, and this is up to you in terms of radius. So that after that, from this point you are going to draw this line, and this point you're going to draw in a line, and this is also up to you, so that you can get a point where you can draw a perpendicular line like this one, and then set another 47 mm from here to here to see the point where it touch the line, and then you can draw the parallel line after that. So I'm going to show you on how to do it. Okay, first of all, you need to have the line A to B already. So I kind of like draw 50 mm line from A to B. This is just me, it's up to you actually. So the second thing is to determine the center point from 50. So this means like 25 mm from point A or point B. So just going to draw like a half circle here. Okay, so after we draw the half circle, then it's up to you in terms of the distance of the compass, but make it consistent. Yeah, so from this point, okay, maybe I need to lengthen it a bit. Okay, so from by using the compass from this point that touching the AB line, I'm going to draw one circle, and then from the other side, from this point, I'm going to draw another circle. Okay, so you're going to get this point in which this is the point of where the perpendicular line can be drawn. So if you use a drawing board, it's convenient for you because you have the t-square and so on, but I'm just going to show you using the ruler here because I don't draw this on the drawing board. So from this point to this point, we just going to draw like a straight 90-degree line like that. Okay, so now it's asked the distance is 47 mm, so you need to measure 47 mm from here to from in the ruler, on the ruler, by using the compass. 47. Okay, once you measure it, you just need to give it a sign there. Okay, so this one you can uh, extend it. Okay, so now you have this point, in which this is the point where it's exactly 47 mm distant from the AB line, So what we need to do now is to just draw that straight line from here. It's more convenient if you use t-square, so that you're going to get a very nice straight line like this one. Okay, so now we already have the line. I'm just going to give it CD line, which is parallel to AB line with the distance of 47 mm. So this is for the activity 1. Let's just move to activity 2. Okay, for this one, construct a line through point P and perpendicular to line A and B. So we have the A, B line again, and then we have P, one point here. So we want to construct a line through point P that is perpendicular to the line A and B. So we just going to watch the video. Okay, so we're just going to draw a circle from point P to get this point and this point, and then you're going to draw another circle to get that direction to draw the line. Okay, so I think it's very easy. Again, I'm going to show you this one. I already draw the AB line here, AB line, and I just choose 50 mm. So now I'm going to put P, one point here as P. Okay, it's up to you to put wherever that you like to put. For me, I just put it here. So I want to make sure that the line, perpendicular line, will from point P will be perpendicular to the line AB. So the first thing is to draw one circle that is going to touch two sides. Okay, like this one, yeah. So in terms of the distance or the length of this is up to you actually, as long it's going to give you two. Okay, I think I need to be a bit more, so that okay. So now we have one circle here that touch these 2 points here and C. I'm just going to put this as C and D. So from C, you are going to draw another circle. In terms of the distance, as long as the distance from C point and D point is consistent, it should be okay. So just going to shorten it a bit, draw a circle here, and then from D, another circle. Okay, sorry again, my compass move. Okay, So we have point C and point D. So point C, circle, circle. So we are going to get this point here. So we're just going to draw one straight line. Again, if you use the drawing board, you need to use the 45 the 90-degree ruler with the help of the T-square, so that you're going to get a straight line here from here to here. So then after that, we darken the line that we want, which is here. This is the line that we want, point P, through point P to line AB. So this is the line that we want at the end. Okay, I really hope that you can at least get some, because I know it's not really that clear the way I draw it, but at least you can get the point that I want you to find. Okay, the third one is a bisect line AB into two equal lines. So we have also AB line, so we want to cut it into two bisect line. Yeah, so okay, draw half circle from point A, another half circle from point B, and then you draw the line. So this is the line that will be the center line of it. So I'm going to show you in this video here. Maybe I'm going to enlarge it a bit more. Okay, so I already have point A and point B. Again, I just put 50 mm. So I want to find the center of these two. So just going to draw one circle here, and the distance is up to you as long as it's consistent. Yeah, from point B, something like this, and from point A, okay, point B. Okay, so I already got this point and this point, in which I can just straight away use ruler to draw the line that is going to bisect these two. So this is the center line. Okay, and the last one, the activity for activity one, we want to bisect. We want to cut the angle into two equal area. So I'm going to show. Okay, I already drew an angle of 30 degree. It's up to you actually what kind of degree angle that you want to play around. Yeah. So what you need to do, okay, again, from here, you just draw a specific any distance to draw one circle. Okay, after that, from this point, draw another circle, and then from this point, draw circle, and from this point, you draw the circle and see where the line, the point here. So you're just going to draw a line that is going to go through the point that you already obtained. So just going to draw it like this. So yeah, sorry, it's not really that straight, but anyway, that's the way of cutting the angle into half. Okay, so that's for activity 1. For activity 2, now we are going to learn on how to draw angle. 60-degree angle, 30-degree, 90-degree, and 45-degree angle. And you have the protector that going to give you the angle if you want, but in the same time you can use the compass to to and some technique in order for you to draw the angle that you want. So we start with the 60-degree angle first. Okay, so again, you have AB line. Okay, so what we need to do is draw some circle at AB, and then another circle there. Then this is 60 degree. I'm going to show you on how to do it. Yeah, what you need to do is to have one straight line, one line here. Okay, this is A, this is B. So the first thing is to draw one circle. No matter what is the uh, distance of the compass, you draw one circle, and then using from this point you draw another circle. So you got this point, so just draw one line to go to point A. Okay, so you already got this is 60 degree point. Okay, so now we want to construct an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so let's see how you can do it. Okay, so again, what you can do, you just draw one straight line first. Okay, this is P and this is Q. Okay, so again, it's similar step like the 60 degree. The 60 degree angle, you draw one circle, and then from here you draw another circle, and then from this point you are going to draw one circle from this point. From this point you are going to draw one circle. Okay, so you are going to get the 60 degree, this point, and then draw the line. So this is 60 degree. Sorry, this is 30 degree. Okay, so now we move to the other angle, which is the 90 angle. So let's just see how we can do it. Half circle from Q, point Q. Okay. Okay. So let's just all do that. Draw a line, PQ line first. PQ. Okay. From this Q line, you draw one circle, and then from this point that touch the PQ line, you draw one circle, and then from this point you draw another circle. Okay, so that means we need to extend this a bit. Okay, so now you already have these 2 points. From these 2 points you need to draw some circle from here and from here, so that you get the point here. And then from this point just use the ruler to draw the line. Okay, sorry. Okay, just draw one line here. So that is going to be 90 degree. Yeah. Okay. Well, actually, after you do a few exercise, I think by just observing this animation, you'll be able to just follow the step by step given in the slide. Okay, so now we want to construct an angle of 45 degree. So we have the AB line. Similar step like the 90 degree first. You got the first point. Okay, so this is the 90 degree. Okay, it's the matter of you getting the 90 degree angle first, then after that you bisect it into half. Eh? So let's just do it. Okay, so we have a line here, A B line. So from point A, yeah, similar step like the 90 degree angle. So first thing is to draw the circle here, and from this point, okay, so I just going to extend it a bit more. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, from this point, draw circle. From this point, draw another circle. Sorry, draw another circle. Okay, and then after that, you got these two circle from up here, and then draw another point from this to touch this to get the point here. We want to get the first point that is perpendicular to A, which is 90 degree. Then after that, what we can do next is to bisect it. Okay, so we have from here, we kind of like extend a little bit, and then from here, sorry, sorry, um, maybe the distance is not really that long, so maybe I just going to extend the distance from here to be something like this, and then from here, from this point like this, so that we got this point in which if we draw a line to point A, this is a 45 degree line. 45 degree line. Okay, so that's about the construction of 45 degree line. So now we are moving to the activity 3, in which in activity 3 we are going to draw a few circle. One is a circle that is going to go through 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. And then there is a circle in a triangle, circle outside of a triangle, and also circle through a corner of a triangle, A, B, and C, like this. So we're going to start with the circle that's going to go through the point A, B, and C. Okay, so let's just watch how it will be done. We have 3 points, A, B, and C. We bisecting the line between A, C to get the middle line, and then from point C, B, we bisecting it to get the midpoint too, so that we're going to have a perpendicular line, and draw the line, and then we're going to get the O, which is the center point of the circle, and then you can just draw the circle after that. Okay, so now let's just see how it's being done. So we have the okay, we have point, let's say this is point A, we have point C, we have point B. It's up to you in terms of the I mean like the position of the point, as long as we want to make sure that the circle will touch all these points. Yeah, so the first thing is to draw a line between A to C. Yeah, so we draw a line between A to C like this, and then be bisecting it. So how to bisect, I already we already did in activity 1. So from this point C, from point A, so we have 2 points that we can connect to get the bisecting line. Okay, so just draw line. Okay, so now from point C to B, so we draw another line, and then same, we bisect them. Point B, point C, point B again, point C. Okay, so we got this point and this point, in which we can just draw the line, and the bisecting line, we can see we got the point here which have the two bisecting line cross to each other. So this is the point O, in which this is the center point for the circle. So from point O, we go to point A like this, and we just draw a circle, and the circle will definitely going to touch all the point A, point B, and point C. Okay, so now we move to the next activity. In activity 3, construct an inscribed circle of the triangle. So we want to draw a circle that's going to touch these three the triangle, these three sides. Okay, so we kind of like bisecting the angle 1, bisecting the other angle, so that you're going to get the line. Then you got another line. Okay, okay, for this one, you can see the first step is to construct bisecting line from point A and point C, so that we're going to get point O here as the center point of the circle. And then after we got the center point, we want to know what is the point that the circle will touch on the line of the triangle. So that's why we have this point, and this point before we can draw the circle. So let's just draw the circle ourselves first. Okay, so for this one equal uh, is a equal degree of triangle. So that means that the distance should be the same. Let's say you're going to draw 5, 5. Well, actually it should be the same, but anyway, just going to draw it like this. Okay, so now this is A, this is B, this is C. The first step is to find the bisecting angle of A. So draw a circle here, and then from here draw another circle from this point and this point, so that you're going to get the bisecting line from here. And then from point C also you can uh, draw circle to get the bisecting 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the bisecting line. Okay, so this is the point that is the point of O, which is the point of the circle. From this point O, we are going to draw circle here. Okay, so that the point that touch circle and the line are going to, okay, so this is the point. From point O, just going to draw one straight line here. So this is the point that is going to touch the first point. And then after that, from here, draw another circle, and then again do the same from this one and from this one. You got this point. Okay, so this is another point, and then here also we're going to do the same, maybe a bit bigger. Okay, so from this point and this point, this point, draw one straight line that is going to touch O. So we have 3 points here, 1, 2 and 3, in which this is the point of the circle that are going to touch the triangle. So the distance of the triangle should be the distance of this point, from O, either from 2, 3 or 1. Yeah, so I just going to start with 1. So and then we just going to draw one circle here that is going to touch the triangle at a specific point. Okay, so that's about the construct and inscribe circle of the triangle ABC. Okay, what about construct an external circle of triangle? So this is watch it. you get the point O. If you notice, all the steps start to find the center point of the circle first, and then after that later we try to find the point in which the circle we touch. Okay, so at the end we are going to get the circle of the triangle ABC. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do to draw a circle first. No, it's up to you to circle in terms of the um, angle. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a circle like this: A, B, and C. Okay, so make sure the circle will touch points, a line between B and C. So the first thing, what you need to do is to draw to extend the line B here, and then from C, and then we will do some bisecting of this line to get the center point. So it's the same thing that we always do. Okay, from here, it's very important for you to make sure that your compass will always, you know, really tight. Otherwise, the distance will move. So you can see here, the way I draw it is not really that nice, because we have a double layer here. But it's okay. This is just to show you. Okay, after you bisect the angle you get, this is the angle. So draw a straight line from here to touch the point here. Okay, again we're going to do the same for point C. Okay, okay, so this is the point which is going to draw a straight point. So now this is the point where the intersection between these two bisecting point. Yeah, so this is the O. This is the O, and then after that you want to find the line, the point that the circle will touch. Okay, so just draw line like this, and like this. Okay, so from point O we going to draw one circle, one straight line to here, so that we know that this is the point here that the circle will should touch. Well, basically you need to do the same for the bottom part and the top part, but I just want to skip that because we already have the distance from point O to this point. The point that touch the line B and C, we can already draw the circle. Okay, so it's not exactly like very neat, but it's okay to give you some idea on how to draw it. Yeah. Okay, so this is for C, and then we have construct a circumscribed circle of triangle A, B, and C. Okay, so for this one, the circle will go through point A, B, and C. Well, actually, this is similar like the A activity, but this one in the circle. So, what you need to do first is to do bisecting between line A and C, and then line C to B. I think because you already did that activity A just now, similar. The one is point, 3 point, and this is a circle, but consisted of 3 point too. So the step is similar. So you can do the same. You got O. Okay. And then after that you can just draw the circle that is going to go through all these points. I think I will not going to show you this example because it's similar like the example in A, in which the circle that's going to go through the 3 point. So, but I want you to still do this activity. Okay, so now we are going to do activity 4, and it's about drawing the triangle. Okay, before this we try to draw the equilateral triangle, but there is a way of doing that, and we are going to do it now. And beside that we have the scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, triangle with a given side and angle. Okay, so the instruction: construct a triangle with the given three side. Side AB is given. AB is given. Okay, so we're gonna have a point C around here, in which the BC should be 75 mm and AC should be 83 mm. So how to do it? Well, actually it's really easy. If you use the compass, you can just measure it. I don't think I'm going to show this example because it's very simple. So is you just measure the compass and do some circle, and then you get the point, the intersection point of both a circle, and then that's the C point that you're going to draw the triangle. But please do this. Construct a triangle with the given two sides and included angle. Side AB is given. AC 70 mm and included angle between side AB and side C is 60 degree. AB and AC is 60 degree. Okay, this is just the application of what you have done for the 60 degree angle just now. Okay, this is 60. And then AC should be 70 degree. Okay, it's really easy actually. The first step is to construct a 60 degree angle, similar like the example that we have done before. And then after that, from here, the distance from here to point C is 73 mm. And then you just draw. Once you got the C point, you can just draw this line and this line, and you got this triangle. Please try, please try it. Okay, B. Okay, now D. Construct a triangle with the given two sides and one base angle. Side AB is given, BC 75 and base angle is 45. Okay, so now similar like the previous step, what you need to do is to find the 45 angle first, and then determine the distance, the length. So this is 90 degree, and then after that you bisect it so that you're going to get the 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45 degree angle. Okay, and then you from point B, this is 75. Okay, after you got the point C, where actually is going to touch two side. This is C with the apostrophe, and this is the real C. So from this C, you're going to draw the line so that you're going to get the triangle as per requested. So again, I think it's really straightforward, and I would like you to try it. Okay, now we move to the last activity. This is activity 5, how to draw square with diagonal and rectangle with given diagonal and side. Construct a square PQRS with the given side PQ. So a square, that means that all the sides will have the different with the same length. So R, determine the distance of the PQ first. If this is, let's say, 50 mm, so you just draw a circle of 50 mm, and then you draw another from here 50 mm, and then from point R to point S also 50 mm, so that you're going to you're going to get the S point, and then after that you can just draw the square. Okay, so now construct a square PQRS with the given diagonal PR. Okay, a square PQRS. So from PQ we bisect it to get the bisecting point. Then draw a circle Q and S. So you got a square PQRS. Well, basically what you need to do first is to draw the bisecting line to get this bisecting point first, and then from this bisecting point you can draw a circle. This is kind of like the center point of the circle that have the equal distance from P and R. So you draw this circle, and then the circle will touch the bisecting line. You got point S and point Q, and then you got all the point in order for you to draw the square. Okay, 3. Construct a rectangle PQRS with the given diagonal PR, and one of the side is 45 mm. Okay, again you bisect the line first, cut into half, and then you got the point. You draw a circle. You got the middle point, the center point here. Draw the circle according to the radius, and then you set the 45 mm from point P, and another 45 mm from point R to get Q and S. Okay, and then you can draw the rectangle. I think this is quite easy to follow, so I think you can do without me have to draw it for you. Okay, so that's about the activity for this lab. And I really hope that you try all these activities because it's really important. This is a very fundamental, basic skill of drawing, construction of geometry before you can proceed with the more complex drawing. So I give you also assignment for lab 2. This is the assignment, so just follow this and don't forget to submit a hard copy to me next week. have, yeah, a few assignment here. Well, basically, it's just it's very straightforward actually. It's not really difficult, but it's require you to do it to experience your own. So I think that's about it for this lab. I really wish that you're going to try everything, and yeah, we see you in the next lab. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.